Hey everybody and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to send USDT from Binance to Binance using ID. Super easy. First head over to your Binance on the receiving phone or device. Once you're onto your Binance account, you're going to be needing an address. Let's just say you want to send USDT. In our case, click on portfolio at the bottom right and click on Tether US. Then you can see we have this option of take out and add funds. So this is the receiving phone, so I'm going to be clicking on add funds. Click on deposit crypto. Since we are going to be sending USDT, Tron TRC20 as our network, and copy your deposit address. Once you do that, make sure to copy deposit address, not the network. Then you're going to be heading over to Binance on your sending device. So this is going to be our sending device. I'm going to be heading over to my portfolio and click on Tether US again and add funds or take out. So we are going to be clicking on add funds this time. Click on deposit crypto TRC20 and we're going to be simply getting our USDT sent from first phone to this one. So this is pretty easy. You can click on add funds as well. And yeah, so pretty simple. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know in the comments below if this was helpful. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.